Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to delete Brawl Stars account. Firstly, launch Brawl Stars app on your device. Tap the hamburger icon at the top of the screen. Now, in the top down menu, tap Settings. Then scroll down to open Help and Support. In the Settings menu, tap Help and Support. Now, inside the Help and Support, navigate to the Account section by tapping on Account. Now you need to tap the chat bubble icon in the upper right corner to start a conversation with Brawl Stars support. In the chat, select or type the option to request deletion of personal data, then tap Delete My Data. A Supercell support agent will review your request. Just be patient, this might take some time. Once prompt, confirm that you want to delete your account and data. Then tap Delete Account when asked to complete the process. And that's it, your Brawl Stars account deletion request will now be processed. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.